Hey lads, TechScanning here. Samsung is expected to launch multiple smartphones in the first quarter of 2023, while its most awaited flagship, the Galaxy S23 series, is already around the corner. The Korean tech giant is also planning to launch its next mid-ranger, the Galaxy A54 soon, alongside the Samsung Galaxy A14, A24 and A34. Reportedly, Samsung has cancelled the Galaxy A74 this year, so this means the Galaxy A54 will debut as the most premium handset in the Samsung Galaxy A series smartphones. So we have already seen the first look of the Galaxy A54 back in November through some CAD renders, but now a set of official photos have leaked showcasing the phone in 4 color options. So besides the usual white and black, we can see the Galaxy A54 in watery neon and purple colors. Looking at the back of the phone, one can easily spot that it has a strong resemblance to the Samsung Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus. That is no raised camera island, just the individual camera cutouts. It looks like Samsung is so much into this clean looking design for rear camera sensors, like the whole S23 series, Galaxy A54 and even the recent Galaxy A34 renders showed the same design. So some Galaxy S series fans may not like this, but this might be because Samsung wants to create a separate identity from the competition for easy recognition. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Moving to the front design of the Galaxy A54, we can see it will have a flat screen with a selfie camera punch hole in the top center and thick bezels. Specs wise, the phone is rumored to sport a 6.4 inches Full HD Plus 120Hz Super AMOLED display with the optical fingerprint sensor beneath it. Speaking of the rear camera sensors, it will have a 50 megapixel main lens with optical image stabilization, a 12 megapixel ultra wide and 5 megapixel macro. So compared to the A53's 64 megapixel main shooter, the 50 megapixel on the Galaxy A54 might seem a downgrade to you, but in practice, it could be a better sensor as higher megapixel doesn't mean higher quality. On the front, most likely there will be a 32 megapixel lens for selfies. The Galaxy A54 is expected to draw power from Samsung's in-house Exynos 1380 chipset, and earlier a 6GB RAM variant of the device appeared on the geekbench with a 775 single-core and 2599 multi-core scores. I would say it's a decent score for a mid-ranger. But if we recall, Samsung Galaxy A52 and A52s both came with the Snapdragon 7 series chipset, so if Samsung adopts something like that, we can expect even better performance since Qualcomm's chips are more powerful than Samsung-made Exynos. Besides 6GB, the phone will also come with an 8GB RAM variant. In terms of battery, we can expect a good battery life as it is likely to carry a massive 5100 mAh of battery. Now, though there is no confirmed pricing for the Samsung Galaxy A54, but if we take a look at its predecessors, we could expect somewhat similar pricing around $500. So guys, this is Samsung Galaxy A54 with flagship looking design, a better processor and a huge battery. Don't forget to share your opinion below in the comment section, and that's it for today. Of course, I will keep you updated as more details come out, so do consider subscribing to the channel and hit the bell button. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.